Since Harley Davidson announced its plan to branch out of its comfort zone, we've been curious to learn more about its future products. One of the models the company announced right off the bat is the 2021 Pan America. Over a year after showing the bike for the first time, we still know very little about it. The company is quietly developing its first adventure bike, and until recently, we had very little information about what was cooking in Harley's kitchen. The manufacturer finally spoke up and gave us a glimpse of what's to come, so we decided to have a look at everything we know about the new Pan America. Details on the Pan America are still scarce, but it looks like the frame is to have a tubular steel construction with a trellis-style subframe and yoke-style swing arm. To limit weight, the factory opted for the stressed engine approach that uses the mill to displace the downtube cradle sections of the frame. Power for the Pan America comes from a 1,250cc Revolution Max plant to the tune of 145 plus horsepower and 90 plus pound-feet of torque. Why the plus? Well, it's cause HD is still being coy at this point, and I haven't exactly had the opportunity to throw one on a dynamometer yet. We know it's a 60-degree V-twin and that it's liquid-cooled, but it's unclear how much. Word on the street is that HD will be looking to get around $19,000 for its 2021 Pan America. As far as color packages, it looks like basic black and a mishmash of black, orange and white are the only choices, at least at first.